Yojo here. You guys haven't seen this in a while. MTD Pro, front wheel drive, self-propel, 158cc, 5.5 horsepower, with rear bag and mulch, lawnmower, with, self-propel. It's been working good this winter, but I'm going to winterize this on probably tomorrow. This one, well, that probably I won't winterize, so you guys will see this again. So that and this one, the Echo, you guys won't see again till next year, because I'm actually moving from this house to a brand new house, so it'll be nice. And the backyard will still be sort of small, but bigger than this. But I won't need a riding lawnmower, but I'll need a few other machines, so maybe I could get those. So these are like the last cold starts of the year, and it's Halloween weekend. It's Friday, October 29th. Just came back from school, so thought I'd do some startups. So here we go. This one hasn't ran in a while. 1, 2, 3. Let me set this down over here. Oh, and this is my 107th video. On my channel it says 108, but I've counted like a million times, and everywhere it says it'll say 108, but it's actually 107. The only in my videos, my place, it says 106. So just so you guys know, I don't know, they messed up or something. But oh, and another shout I want to do to St. Louis sucks 9119, I think, something like that. But all right, here it is. Yeah, I was revving a little. It's kind of cold, but we'll go with this. Let's do it over here. Turn on. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, we'll do 5. Choke. Let's see. Alright, there was that. Here's the Echo. This was my machine that I bought this year, actually. Oh, and since I have that line in it, I actually have a whole line of Echo line there. So, yeah, I'm gonna do a few more, maybe one more cut of the grass this year, and then that'll be it. Alright, so let's see this thing. The clutch is kind of loosening up, so it doesn't spin like as much, only when you rev it up a lot. So, yeah. This was my best buy this year, because brand new. I bought it in May, so it's 2010. That's an 03 and that's an 09. So next year in the spring, I'm gonna probably go pick up what are those called? A Stihl SH56C blower. So here we go with this. Turn the switch on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn the choke on. Almost see. Oh, sit it right here. Actually, you know what? I'll set it down right here. There we go. Alright. Squeeze the trigger and pull it. Oh, that out. Yep. Gotta warm up. Yeah, it's a little cold, but it's alright. It's low on gas too, so, but yeah, that's what it was. I don't think it was the still gas, but it runs and starts good once it's warmed up, so just, oh yeah. So, yeah, well, there was that. Alright, see you guys. Peace.